All right, so this quick tutorial will show you how to request transcripts if you have not done so already. So sometimes what happens is we're working fairly quickly and, we might be excited about putting colleges on our colleges I'm applying to list, and we didn't realize that we did not request transcripts. So let's walk through how we can make sure everything is ready and requests are in so all of my materials can be submitted to the colleges to which I'm applying. So if I click on colleges I'm applying to, I can see the name of my college on the left-hand side, and if I shift my eyes over to transcripts, I can see that all of my transcripts were requested with the exception of Gettysburg. So I must have gotten just too excited and completely forgot to request it. So don't panic. All you have to simply do is scroll on up, and what we can do is we can actually check the box to the left of the school, and we just hit request transcript. And it's going to ask what type of transcript we are requesting. You can hit initial and you're confirming, yep, it's for Gettysburg, and you hit request and finish. All right, so that's how you quickly request a transcript if there was no request already out there.